Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? We're back. Hey, we're doing that challenge. Hey, hey. Alright, like we said, I surprised Alex for his birthday with the louvers. We're gonna install them today, finally. Let's give you guys a little quick peek of how it looks with and without it. Alright, so this is without it. And I get the angles. Alright, alright. That's without the louvers. Alright, let's get the louvers on now. Get 3M tape. And you get that extreme, extra strong stuff. I think it's like 20 bucks or something. I don't remember. But here it is, 3M. Fuck, it's not focusing. I mean, fudge. Alright, well, so what we're gonna do, what we've seen, is usually guys will put 3M tape all along the side here, a little piece right here just to keep these a little more stable, and on that edge. And what we noticed is I think you need extra tape on the corners, because we kind of mocked them up and then it was peeling up on the corners. So I don't know if it's just the way this one is or they're all like that, because we didn't get it brand new. But
so they come flat and the window's like at an angle, so you kind of have to like mold it in. So just make sure to double up on the corner so it doesn't eventually pop up. But
yeah, they're if y'all don't know, they're the Zakustech Louvers.
they ain't that Amazon shit.
Nah, not that Amazon stuff, bro. Those look horrible. If you throw those on, bro, sell your Z. Just kidding.
Hey, still drop a like though.
Still drop a like. But
it's basically the same shape you're gonna install those, so just still drop a like.
For real. But yeah, let's get started. Alex is cleaning up the where we're gonna mount the tape at with alcohol.
Just so the 3M sits like
a little bit better.
Yeah, it actually grabs on better.
That way it gets removed. You get a better surface. And make sure you also we're gonna clean the window too before you throw it on. Got a little dirty, you know. It just rained last night, so. But yeah, unfortunately Tony couldn't make it today, cause I don't know. He said he has little man syndrome or something. I don't know.
What about something his pussy hurt or something? Something like that.
Something like that. That's what he said. It's all good. He'll be back. He's getting that checked out at the doctor right now.
Pray for him, drop a like for him, just drop a little prayer for him in the comments down below.
I think his doctor said the only way to cure that is to get a tune on his car, but you know, he's capping on that.
Hashtag pray for Tony.
Yo, this is off topic, but we left the broom right there and it's still like that, bro.
She's been there for like 10 minutes.
That's just weird.
Let me cut the stream real quick. Ah,
Alright, so we're back. We got all the 3M on. So you put 3M in the middle here, these little pieces. You don't need much there. And then 3M all along the side, and we doubled up on the corners. I don't know if you'll need that, because this is a used louver, so maybe it just bent or something. I don't know. But yeah. Let's get ready to install it. Y'all still wondering, that broom's still up. It's over there chilling.
Vibing.
Where that though? Where that? Hey! Shit looks funny. It looks fake.
Oh, okay. Alright.
You line it up all the way in the corner?
Yeah. Do you have it all the way in?
Here's all the way.
Yeah, down. Oh, just at the top. And then, are you at the bottom? Yeah, I know, for real.
pretty good.
Huh?
We got pretty good on both. It's not gonna be perfect. It just opens up right there. But now it's on there good. Or is that how it did the first time?
Nah.
I think doubling up. I think this is gonna follow too. If we went this way, I think this would have stuck up.
True.
More, you know?
Yeah, that's why just a movie thing.
Alright, so there they are, all installed. Damn, it's looking good. Sheesh. Hopefully we start getting big in the 350Z community so we can hang out with Fresh Kicks and Low Tech.
Yeah. This is about to be on the map. No cap.
For real.
Wait on.
Alex Z33? Hey. Okay. Alright, well I think that's gonna conclude this video. Make sure y'all guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Dang, dude, this is a beautiful ass day. But yeah.
Start getting ready for this soon. Maybe we'll drop the spark plug 350Z install. We gotta start getting ready for this. Hey, y'all ain't ready for it, bro. Y'all ain't ready. Secrets. I'm trying to keep it low key because I'm trying to gap Alexis.
Hey.
He ain't ready, bro. He ain't ready.
Hey.
He ain't ready for the sauce, but yeah, stay tuned. You know, we're trying to keep up with the content as much as we can. But yeah, let us know what y'all want.
Oh, you should turn it on for them.
Never heard it, huh?
This is we didn't film it, but we installed Alex's test pipes. We didn't do it just because we did it on my car. But yeah, this is an HR though.
With the resonator too.
Yeah, we installed the resonator because that was. Damn. Alright, well, signing off, guys.
Peace.